Perfect. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Build a Chatbot with Google to support women entrepreneurs. And we are back by popular demand with Mansi Morty. She is an AI engineer at Be Humane. Earlier this month, we actually had this workshop, and we're bringing it back because you guys loved it so much with an extra special twist. We're going to show you guys how you can leverage Google Cloud and Google Vertex to create a Google chatbot today that can actually help women like yourselves and allies as well in their entrepreneurial efforts. So we are so excited to have you here today. My name is Adrienne Guy. I'm the co-founder of Create Her Fest, and I am really delighted to be your technical support for this session. Before we get started, I want to make sure that everyone has, the best experience possible. So if you have any questions or run into any issues during the session, feel free to ask and reach out to me directly in the chat. And I'll be here the entire time to help you out. So really quick notes, you'll see a Q&A feature that's in your session, in your toolbar. It's on the right-hand side, and you can feel free to use that whenever you want to submit a question or let us know if you have any issues inside of the chat. If you would like to share reactions or share your thoughts, you can use the chat as well to engage with others during the session. All right, so let's keep this fun and interactive, and I am very thrilled to bring back to you Mansi Morty.
Everyone. Okay, wow. I can already see some of the familiar faces from the last workshop. Welcome back. And to all the new faces here, hi, I'm excited to have you join us today. And people who know me, hey, what's up? Glad to see you again. For those of you meeting me for the first time, my name is Mansi More. I'm an AI engineer, your friend and guide for the next 2 hours. I work on different Gen AI projects like AI agents, AI voice bot using latest LLMs. I'm a community member of tech events at San Francisco. This is my LinkedIn. Let's connect, talk about projects. If you have project idea in your mind and you want to collaborate, feel free to reach out. Moving on to the workshop, today's workshop is about two things: AI chatbot and helping women entrepreneurs. Yes, just two things, but together they can create something powerful and meaningful. So by end of the session, you will have not only developed a chatbot, but also contributed to something that has like chance to influence the society. It sounds exciting, right? Let's get started. Before moving on to the workshop, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate your presence. Yep. So, quick question to start: how many of you know a woman entrepreneur? Or I would love to know about your experience with co-founders of women and entrepreneurs. You can unmute yourself and talk. Any of you? Shahan, come on.
Akanksha says yes in the chat. You guys can also add your answers to the chat as well. Or if anyone has experience. Cheyenne, she says no, she doesn't personally know any female entrepreneurs.
Okay. No worries. You can like join virtual events, tech events, and you will also read more of the articles to know about women entrepreneurs and co-founders. And by the way, there are so many incredible women out there making a difference. And for me, being in San Francisco, I've had the chance to see so many inspiring women leaders, CEOs, founders, and many more people, women. And the best part about it, they are often supported by amazing male co-founders, friends, and family. It's so inspiring. But every business needs funding to grow, right? So let's make it easier for them. Let's move towards the actual aim of the workshop by making 24 into 7 available supporter where she can connect. Yes. This is the chatbot where we will be building for the specific website. Here I'm building for the She Connect website, which makes finance and work easier for the women entrepreneur. Also, it will like empower women entrepreneurs, business women, or for everyone. So, yep, I'll quickly go through you all the agenda of today's workshop. This is in this workshop, I'll be doing hands-on, so you can follow the steps along with me. We'll be creating the account, Google Cloud Platform account, and where we'll get the free trial for like 90 days. And if you already have created an account, no worries. We Google and Vertex AI have like free trials, and apart from even free trials, we have a lot of validity, 1 year of validity for the Vertex AI. Vertex AI is nothing but where we will create our AI application for the chatbot. We will train our chatbot on our own data, which I will provide you in PDF format. Again, if you have any project idea in your mind for the website, you can feel free to use your own data. Will we move towards deployment of chatbot and will end up with the simulation and testing? I think we should start creating a GCP account. So this is the page where you will land up with. I think you can just type in Google Cloud on web, or else, Andrin, would you mind sharing a link with the people? The first link, googlecloud.google.com. You need to click on the sign in, and yep, feel free to put your credentials and open your Google account, Google Cloud Platform account. And if you already have one, let's just wait for 1 minute and give thumbs up in a chat box, so that we can move forward with the building application. Andrin, are we getting any thumbs up or any comments in chat box?
I am seeing lots of thumbs up, and I also see Akanksha. She said, I received Google Cloud, I think she meant storage, in 2024. So, just in the case that you have used your Google Cloud trial already, if you have an additional Google email, you can always just use a new email and you can still follow along and renew and get a brand new trial.
Yes, you can try it with the new Google account. And also, Akanksha, I would suggest you to go through the credits here. If you guys register and sign in to the Google Cloud platform, you will end up with this page. It will ask you to, access a free trial. You can put your credentials over there. If you already have, got a free trial, you can type credits in search bar. Yeah, Akanksha, you'll able to see this in your credit section, where you can get a validity of 1 year. Like here, I signed it for January 10. It is like 25 to 26. So same like this, you can also have the access for the Gen AI app builder. Also dialog flow. We all need to be on the same page. So we need to put agent builder in search bar, and let me know if you are end up with this page. And also the people who are using agent builder for the first time, let me explain you brief about agent builder. Agent builder is a platform of Vertex AI, where we can build applications, we can chat with the LLMs, we can make agents, bots, everything. It is a Gen AI app builder, and you need to enable the API key for the agent builder. So if you already have enabled it, we are on the same page. If you haven't, so I would suggest you to enable API key of agent builder. I will happy to solve that issue. And just to let you know, guys, we are going to build this chatbot. So we need to create an application first. So that's what we are doing in agent builder. We will create an application. So for creating any application, and we need to feed a data, we need to feed training data to chatbot, right? But before that, we need to store a data in our data set. So if we are on a same page, in search box, you can just type in cloud storage. You can click on it. If you haven't created any project or select any project, you can feel free to go with like Google Chatbot, or you can create any project name. Here, I'll create it along with you guys. New project. Let's give any name. Yep, our website name. She connect. Create. Just let me know we are on the same page. Yep. Just to make sure, you can see beside Google Cloud symbol, she connect, which means your Google project name. If you haven't in same project or the correct project, you can just click on it. You can select the project whichever project you want, and you can click on it. Yep. Now the next step is we need to create a bucket. There is a wrong one, I guess. No. Okay, so this one is not working for me. The We need to click on the create bucket button, but this one is not working for me because I already have created more than two projects. So let me just go back to the previous project. Yes. Make sure you guys can see create bucket button here. Just give me thumbs up if you can see it, because this is the data storage where we can store our training data.
Gerda is saying that she is encountering the same experience where she cannot create a bucket, but she has never made anything before. So, would you like to invite her up? We can invite her on stage and kind of take a look and troubleshoot together.
Yep, we can do that.
Okay. Gerda, I'm going to send you an invitation to join us, and you can share your screen once you come on stage.
Okay. Do you see now?
Yes. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I can see. It doesn't let you create a bucket. So if you go ahead and click the my project, and Mancy, jump in here if you're thinking, or if you see something I don't. But if you hit the my project in the top left next to the Google
Mm,
Cloud logo on your left there,
mhm. Oh, I have
and
some
your
projects.
other project. Switch to your
Okay.
other project. My first project. So we're still
Okay.
on my project. Go ahead and click that and then switch to my first project.
Mm,
Just scroll up. It still doesn't let her
still,
okay. It still doesn't let her create a bucket.
maybe I can delete something, or I don't know, cause I not remember that I was doing something. Maybe was trying in some.
What do you think, Mancy?
There is no.
Uh,
Oh,
did
look,
you?
I have a lot of new projects, but I don't know
Wow.
what it's about.
Okay. So
Okay.
just because it has a same name for everything, uh, you can create with a new unique name.
Mm-hmm.
And let me ask you one question. Did you apply for free trial? Because I can see your free trial has ended. That's
Ah,
why.
okay. Maybe then maybe I tried long time ago, and then okay,
Oh,
maybe then I switch on another account and will
and
try there.
Yeah.
yeah.
So
Okay, thank you.
if you click your account, like your
Mm-hmm.
logo up in the corner, and then switch to one of your other accounts,
Mm.
and let's try doing that.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, you'll hit new project. Oh, go ahead and hit
I
the back
what now?
arrow. Yep, and then
I
hit new
hear. Okay.
project. Exactly. And it may just take a little moment, but that's okay.
Yeah, I guess now it will be okay. Maybe I tried when I.
So it just created this project. And it is still showing that
Mm.
she's not able to. Oh, maybe hit start free in the top corner, the top right corner.
Oh, okay.
Do we have to click that?
Yeah, we need to put the credentials here.
Mm.
Then it will
And,
start.
and
Okay.
remember just the key, your locality, it showed Germany. So I
Mm-hmm.
think that in your configuration, you have to make sure when we're building that you pick Germany.
Mm.
And
Okay.
no worries, even after putting your credentials,
Mm-hmm.
after 90 days, it will ask you whether you want to continue with the trial or not.
Uh-huh.
If,
Okay.
if you put on yes, and if you use any of the platforms from Google Cloud, then only
Mm-hmm.
it will reduce the amount, it will deduct the amount until and
Okay.
unless you won't charge anything. So
Mm-hmm.
feel free to go and put the credentials over there.
Okay, I get. Okay. Thank you. Then I will create and will listen. Continue to listen.
Amazing. All right,
Thank
let's keep
you.
going, Nancy. Thank you,
Yeah.
Gerda.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. We are going to create a bucket. You can give any name. Here I will give uh, the same name. Or you just need to make sure that it should be in all lower cases and no space in between. Yes. You can type in your database name. Continue. Use only. Wow. Use continue, and you need to make sure that your bucket and our application are in a same region. So you go ahead and hit the multi region. Continue, and at last create. Confirm, and you can see your database SheConnectDB or the name which you have given on bucket details. Just give thumbs up because we are going to train our data, or we are going to upload a training data here. Also, Andrian, would you mind sharing a database or PDF format file which I sent you?
Yes, let me grab that.
So here we are going to feed a training data to our database for the chatbot or for the application, and you can feel free to use any of the data. You can go to Google, you can download any PDF, HTML, JPG, any format. You can upload it here. Just because the theme of our workshop is for the women entrepreneurs, so that's why I uploaded this file, and it is in a chat box. And feel free to download it and upload it here on our database. So in right section, you can see create folder, upload, transfer data. So you need to click on upload files, and the files which we need to put. So here, yes, I can see a file over here, my database name, and the file which I have uploaded. Just make sure you are selecting the same database name, and just give thumbs up if you are on the same page.
Seeing a lot of thumbs up.
Wow, you guys are quick. Okay, the next step is to create an application on Google Cloud. In search bar, we need to search Agent Builder, a platform we can use it for search, recommendation, and conversation apps. Yes, here just because I have created too many apps, you will able to see the enable key app. So you need to make sure that the agent API key or your key is you can access it for the agent builder. Go ahead and click on create app. So these are the icons you will see after clicking on create app. So you need to scroll down a little bit. You can see two options here, conversational agent and chat. So conversational agent is to build an agent, AI agent on Google Cloud platform, and this is the box where we need to create a chatbot. So hit the create. You can add any company name, agent name. Let's give agent name. We need to make sure that the region of the for the application is multi-region, so that the data store and application will be in the same region. Okay, so we are landing on a data store page. So here it is asking for us to upload any data store, the data store which we created already. So here I'm going to click on the data store, hit the create button. Oh, oh, I went back. Okay, so people, if you are not on the same page, so this is the create app page. You can click on create chat. You can give a company name, your agent name.
So we just got Cheyenne. She asked a question in the chat, and she asked to confirm if we are supposed to be selecting create data store.
You need to select the yes, create a data store, and you need to hit the create button.
Uh-uh. Let's see. I think the time before you use the 28th, January 28th one.
Yep.
So we're underneath apps. You guys can also share, which Cheyenne kind of like got us hip to last time. You guys can also share screenshots if you run into anything in the chat, just like she just did a moment ago, which is really helpful. Okay, so the screenshot that Cheyenne is showing is she's at the source at the beginning, and it's asking her to select a data source. So she has an option to like search.
Could you repeat the question again?
So Cheyenne is at the page. Okay, we were close to it.
Yep.
She's looking to create her data store. And in the chat, she shared a screenshot where she's at the point that says create a data store, a data store. And the first step is the source, and she has to select the data source. So she should choose which option: website content, cloud, storage, or API.
Okay. Um. Yes. The question which she is asking, if you haven't make any data store, you can click on the data store, and these are the options you are seeing, right?
Yes.
Website, yep. So website content is you can just put URL or any. If you are fetching data from URL, you can put URL here. If you are fetching data from any of the APIs, you can just import data manually by calling the API here. And this is the option we are going to choose: cloud storage. So you can go ahead and select cloud storage. You can browse the file here. So we there's a data storage. So just now we've created this data store. So you can select on the data store. You can click on continue. Go ahead and give the name which you want for your data store, and hit the create button. Just because I uploaded one more data store, so I can able to see two data stores here.
Yes.
I'll
Cheyenne
quickly
just confirmed. She got it. Perfect.
I'll quickly recap everything. We create a data store. We feed the training data to the data store. We created an application, chat application, and where we give company name, agent name, and we select multi region. We went forward. We selected new data store. We selected the data which was there in cloud storage, and after creating it, you will land on the this page. Just give me thumbs up if you're on the same page. Are you guys with me?
I am seeing thumbs up in the reactions.
And if you're
You
facing an
guys, and you just
issue,
let us know if you need to pause. But yeah, I think we're good to keep going.
if you're facing an issue, you can share your screen. We can solve the issue together. Okay, you need to click on the data store here, and you'll able to see that the data which we have uploaded, it is in progress. So it will take some time to import the data. Just because we put only one PDF file, it will take little bit time, like 1-2 minutes. But people or company upload a huge massive amount of data, it takes a lot of time to upload. So feel free, meanwhile feel free to go and check about the agent builder. I'll quickly share the link of the same in a chat box. Feel free to go through the document, and you'll get an idea what exactly we are doing right now. And meanwhile, let's just wait to upload the data. And if we are not, if you guys are not following the steps, feel free to share your screen. We can do it together. And I guess I'm up for the questions. And I've shared the screenshot of the page. You guys should see the same thing, import in progress, which means our data is uploading in the data store. And we are just few steps away to build an application on Google Cloud Platform. So make sure that we are on a same site.
Hey, Elaine, if you would like to share your screen, then you're able to click the unmic button at the bottom to talk with us and to hit the share icon at the bottom.
Yeah. It's
Perfect.
less an issue than I'm really just trying to confirm which parser you're using for this one because I've parsed PDFs before and I've usually used the OCR parser, but it seems like the default for this one is the layout parser. So is that correct? Just wanted to confirm. I sent
Um,
the screenshot over.
yes, I can see it. There you will see the option of unstructured data or format. So you can select the that option, or else you can share your screen. I would love to help you.
No, it's really just a question of like, is this the correct parser that you're using? Because I do have the typeset to unstructured data.
Okay,
Um,
this is the default one, the layout process.
yeah, yeah.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you, Ellen. Does anyone have any questions? So after clicking on this data store, this is how you will see if your data has uploaded successfully. We will go now. It's time to see our application. We will click on apps. You'll able to see the applications you have created. Just because I created more than 2 applications, so I can see all the list. If you already have created like 2 3, you can see the same thing, or else you can select the application which you have newly created. I'm going to select on this, and you will able to end up with the Dialogflow CX. Let me explain you about the Dialogflow CX in brief. So we talk about agent builder, right? So agent builder is the platform where we can build our applications for chatbot or AI agent, and Dialogflow CX is the platform where we can design our applications. So it's like .py code and .css code. So agent builder is nothing but the process of building it, and dialog flow is nothing but the designing front end thing. So yes, if you can see the dialog flow CX, you can see in the left corner test agent button. So you can quickly click on that, and this is what our chatbot is. You can just test this chatbot. Yes, I can see the response from chatbot. So, for the people who are doing it for the first time, this is where we enter the testing and simulation page. So, we are simulating our chatbot here, which means we are testing it, and we will add LLM here to get responses from the web or Wikipedia, any of the training data which we have provided. So, let me know if you also can see the same, if you can get the response from chatbot. Let me recap this again. You need to go on apps. You can see the application which you have built. You need to select. You need to click on the application. The dialog flow CX will open. There you can see in left corner, right corner, test agent. So if you click on this, the simulation page will open. We need to simply check test our agent to get a response. So yes, I can get a response from my bot. Hey, hi, good day. What I can do for you? So now it's time to ask a question to our bot. We need to check whether it is working or not. So let me just ask a very simple question. Who is Sundar Pichai? Uh, a AI assistant can only assist you on the company website. We are missing something here. uh, we forgot to add LLM, which will give responses, which will fetch the data from the web or our data store and give you a response. We will not get any response if you search, if you ask any questions, it will not respond you with the correct answer, because we have not added any LLM. So you can go ahead and click on agent settings. You can see horizontal line where it is general ML, generative AI, speech IVR has been written. You need to click on generative AI. Again, generative fallback. So in template, you need to select example, not default. So this is nothing but the response from the chatbot. If you ask any question and chatbot don't know about this question, so this is the template which it will generate. Again, if you want to edit any template as per your requirement, you can just edit it from here. We need to select the LLM, right? So you need to click on the data store. You need to scroll down a little bit, and you can see data store model selection option here. So you need to select. Right now only 3 LLMs are available on a free version. That's why we can see only 3 options. So you can select any of these options. Let's say Gemini 1.5 Flash, and you need to click on save, which is there beside agent settings. Make sure to save it so that we will we will get a response from our bot. Okay, it's done. We upload our data, and the file, it is uploaded successfully. We set LLM to our bot. It's time to get a perfect response for the bot. Same question, or you can ask any question in a chat box also. I'll put that question, any funny question. Okay, see, we got a response from LLM and our bot, which means our bot is ready, and it can give you any responses. Just give me thumbs up if you are also getting responses. If set the LLM in your bot and you are getting responses. And feel free to share your screen if you are lagging somewhere, and if you want direction. And if you want to ask any question to the bot, feel free to put it in a chat box. I'll ask my agent. Andrew, are we getting thumbs up?
Yes, I did see a few thumbs up, but I see that Cheyenne, she said hers isn't working. And you're welcome. If you want, I can send you an invite and you can come up and troubleshoot with us.
Sure, let's do that together.
Hey, Cheyenne.
Hey, Shaya.
Hello, how are you guys? My laptop sucks, but I'll try my best.
No, you got this. Let's
Um,
take a look. Okay.
so I tried answering, I'm asking this question, and that's what I got. So I was like, maybe I did something wrong in the settings.
All right. Yep. Generative AI, generative fallback.
That's
I
good.
see
That's
your example. That looks good.
Um, oh, data store, right? Yeah, data store.
Data store. And then keep scrolling down. Gemini Flash 1.5.
Yep, you got it correct.
And I pressed saved after that, and then I went to the AI box to ask the question, and that's what I got.
You can ask any other question if you want. Let's try it with the other question.
Okay. Um, oh, okay. I guess
Okay.
it was the question that I asked.
What was the first question? I'm
It was
curious.
the weather. I asked for the weather in Brooklyn, New York. I'm like, okay, I thought that was kind of basic, but okay. You get too specific.
How to
And
outsmart your agent.
Yeah.
Good. Yours is working. Okay.
How do I
I can
stop
see in chat
sharing?
box Deepa's chatbot is working. I would love to see the screenshots of your chatbot, guys. Feel
Thanks,
free to put it
Cheyenne.
in the
Thank
chat
you
box.
guys.
Of
Thanks,
course.
man.
Awesome. Okay, so Cheyenne's is working. Deepa is working. How are you doing, Elaine? Jala, Oshin,
Yeah, I
Zuditu?
can't get a reply from the LLM. I can get a reply about the PDF.
Let's check your settings if you want to share your screen.
So yeah, this is I was looking at the different settings, so I was trying to follow along. And when you select data store, default refers to the
You need to select the LLM of your choice. Yes, you can click on save.
Now let's try again.
Yes, let's try it now. It will work.
Oh,
You can
yeah.
you can try to ask any other question. Mhm. Any general knowledge question? Because maybe it was trained way before and it don't have a proper information with it.
yeah, so if I do actually ask a question about something related to the doc, it will actually give me an answer about the doc, which is nice. Just then it is referring to the document, the PDF. But yeah, if I ask something completely off field, like a software engineer question, then somehow it's not retrieving the Gemini model.
So here is the thing: we feed a training data to our chatbot, right? So it
Mhm.
will work on the data which we have provided. It is working for other people also because it is LLM and it will give you all GK questions. I'm not sure why it is not working here. Let me check it again.
Because I went through all the options here around. This seems to be default, and then the generative fallback.
No, you did
Um,
not have selected it. You need
Change
to select the example template. You need to click on
the
the
drop
template.
down. Hit the drop down. You're there. Yep. Hit
Mhm.
example.
Yep, you're good to go.
Okay.
mhm.
And then hit save. Let's see if that makes a difference.
It should.
Oh, I see. Okay. Yep, same question. Oh,
Hey, see,
Oh,
it's just working.
so for the examples, if I want to give it another persona, this is where you can customize your prompts here, right? Is that correct?
That's correct. Yeah, you need to
Okay,
edit it by the edit button, and you can give the way you want it.
cool. Thank you.
Cool.
awesome.
So till now we have created the chatbot. Now it's time to publish it or deploy it. You can simply click on publish, and here you can see the icons. If you want pop-out option or side panel chatbot, you can select that. I would love uh, the pop-out option for the chatbot. So here we go, pop-out. You need to enable the unauthenticated API. And yes, you will get the code for the same chatbot, and you can click on done. Again, publish and try it now. You can see the icon in left right bottom. You can select on it, and here we have created the chatbot. Ta-da! On Google Cloud. Let's just ask something again. So we feed a data for business women's, right? So let's just ask any business related questions. I have a sample questions. So we can simply ask. Um, 1 second. Here you can see. I'm not sharing my screen. I'm asking a question on the behalf of one businesswoman that, hey, my business has already raised funding, but we are still in a prototype phase. Can I apply for the Amber grant, or should I look for the other options? So this is a very technical question which entrepreneurs would understand, and it will basically help them to select which women grant they should, choose, or they should apply for their business. So we'll hit the button and it will show you the answer. Yep. So this was a sample of our chatbot. Now you want to publish it on your specific website, right? So I have one code and I will share it with you guys, which is nothing but this template for the specific website. Let me just share it with you guys. Andrian, you there?
Yes, I am there, and I am just going to share on here. I see that Cheyenne was asking the question around, how do we try it? So you select done after you enable the unauthenticated API, and then you can hit publish again, and there should be a try it now option. However, she selected done, but nothing popped up. See if you can hit the publish button again and see if you have a try it now option.
I don't know, for some reason I cannot see any chats, any messages.
We still see you.
Okay,
We still see you.
that's what matters. So that's okay.
So you're still with us. Okay, she said, I selected try it now, and it shows new session. Select new session. Is that what she should do?
I'm kind of confused. Would you mind sharing your screen again, Shayan?
You can come off mic. You should still have permissions.
Just sending a screenshot as quick as I can. So you share my screen. It's sending right now. This is what I
Okay.
see after selecting try it now. It went to new session.
Oh, it says new session.
Yeah, when I selected try it now, it went to new session.
Okay. When we were looking at the first dialog box, I think you had pop-up selected, right? You did. You have pop-out selected, and then you enable unauthenticated API.
Mm-hmm.
And then I see it's enabled, but it has an option for new session. Why is that? Oh, it's because the little pop-outs in the corner, the little circle that looks like a message icon in your
Oh, okay.
screenshot. Click on that guy.
Did she share her screen or send any screenshot?
Oh, okay, I got it. I see it
I
now.
can't see anything.
I'm not sure what happened. She is sharing the screenshots in the chat.
Okay. Okay. Is it working for you?
It's working
Yes.
for me. Now. I see it now, though. The pop up she was talking about. I see it. Thank you so
Awesome.
much.
Congratulations, you have built an application and AI
Yay!
chatbot on Google Cloud. So let's just go forward and this. Anjun, would you mind sharing my GitHub link?